Seeing an unable to load user agreements message appear on your LG TV can quickly become annoying, especially when apps stop working or setup refuses to move forward. Many users notice this error during signing, after a reset, or when trying to access smart TV features. Sometimes the TV connects to Wi Fi normally, yet the agreement page simply never loads. In many situations, an LG TV unable to load user agreements error can happen because of internet interruptions, incorrect region settings, temporary server communication problems, or software glitches. Before restarting setup repeatedly or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the LG TV working properly again. 1. Restart the LG TV completely and reconnect to Wi Fi to refresh the internet connection properly. 2. Open network settings and confirm the LG TV shows a stable internet connection before trying again. 3. Check the date, time, and region settings because incorrect information may stop agreements from loading normally. 4. Restart the Wi Fi router briefly and reconnect the LG TV afterward to refresh communication properly. 5. Open the agreement page again and confirm whether the LG TV loads the user agreement successfully afterward.